Hi everyone, we are the Group 10 and today we will going to learn about the basic steps and fundamental skills in folk dance.
First position. Raise both arms forward in a circle in front of your chest, fingertips about an inch apart. Second position. Open both arms out gracefully to the sides, slightly below the shoulder level. Third position. Raise your right arm overhead in an arc while keeping your left arm out to the side. Fourth position. Bring your left arm forward in front of your chest while keeping your right arm overhead. Fifth position. Raise both arms overhead, forming a graceful curve. Sixth position. Bring your arms down gracefully to the sides, slightly curve outward like a wide valley. And now let's do it on the left side. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, and sixth position. First position. Bring your heels together to touch, turning your toes outward to form a V shape. Second position. Step your right foot out to the side about 1 foot distance apart from your left heel. Third position. Bring your right heel to touch the instep or the middle arc of your left foot. Fourth position. Step your right foot directly forward about 1 foot distance in front of your left toe. Fifth position. Bring your right heel back to touch the big toe of your left foot directly. Sixth position. Close your feet completely together with both your heels and toes touching side by side. And now let's do it on the left foot. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, and sixth position.
Clear your practice area before dancing.
Wear proper shoes or dance in a barefoot on non-slippery floor.
Keep your knees slightly bent.
And stop immediately if you feel pain and dizziness. Great job everyone! Now it's your turn to practice the 6 basic fundamental skills in folk dance. Stay safe, keep practicing, and happy dancing!